Hello everybody. I would like to show you in a couple of steps of how to get started with building a product, software product, web page, web app, mobile app even. With AI. I like to use Grok 3 for writing sort of like the software development brief to then put into Bolt.new and from there on to continue with Cursor. And they have all new features. So let me just show you one streamlined way of how I would get started. First of all, in order to interact with my computer, I'm using voice. So I will now ask for a brief. Create a short brief for my software developer agent of a tool that is called Call a Friend. It is a web app or web page that where people can log in, first sign up, then log in, and they name at least 3 of their friends and then get notified with some cadence that they have set up that they should write them or call them ideally. Okay. I would also add, don't make it too technical, keep it simple, slightly open from the options perspective, and concise. Let's see. Project brief. Call a friend, web app, key features, sign up, friend list, reminder setup, notifications, goal, tone, I like it. Copy. Now we go to Bolt.new. I already logged in. You can build now even mobile apps. Let me know if you would like to have this feature a bit more unpacked and how to build mobile apps quickly. I'll stick with a web app for now. So it's now setting up everything. Okay, it wants to now use Supabase. Unfortunately, I don't have space on Supabase, but just quickly upskill. So it now says, okay, everything prepared here. If you need a Supabase database connection, click the connect to Supabase button to the top right. Let's do it. Yep, we have limited reach. That means I need to upgrade. It hurts, but it is what it is. How do I upgrade? I can upgrade like this, yeah? Upgrade to Pro. But why 35? 10, 10, 10. So, no, I do it without. Cancel. Important, don't implement Supabase. Okay, so what does it call a friend? I like it. First, sign up. Let's say, yeah, sign up, worked, sign in, add a friend. Manuel has plus +49 and some number, bi-weekly, add a friend, and reminder in 14 days. I like it. So now there is the visual inspector, and I would like to have here for the card, please add common topics and the location all editable. Okay, so now it's working on it. In the meantime, what I will do is that I open a new window, open project, call a friend. Yeah, it's already open. Here we have Claude 3.7 and Claude 3.7 thinking for the more difficult tasks. Okay, I guess I have to reload. No. It says it has it already implemented, but I don't see it. Maybe I need to re-sign in. Okay. This card, I don't see the updates. I see the issue that topics and locations are not showing up in the front. Oh, it's double checking. Sign in. No. I have to add a new one. That was the issue. Okay, Manuel +49 and some number, bi-weekly. Yeah, let's say movies and soccer, Munich. Add a friend. Perfect. I like it. Oh, and soccer. Great. So with this we can work. Maybe we also add like add a footer with how we call it, terms and conditions and address, and put in a glossary and whatever needs to be in the footer. Let's keep it a bit open. Okay, and then we will download it. I could also directly deploy it to Netlify. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's cool. Terms and conditions. Okay, glossary. Yeah. I mean, I kept it open. Let's say I want to add another one. Peter from I don't know where. Monthly soccer from Dortmund. Yeah, soccer and fruits. Add a friend, and there it is. Okay, perfect. Of course, the whole back end of actually doing the notifications, of course, for this we cannot really do it well with Bolt.new. So what I suggest now is to use the next piece, which is Cursor AI, and we can download the code like this, super easy. Download, exclude, and if you would like to see how to build a mobile app, let me know. I can build a. Yeah, I can do that. All right, so here, all of this is now part of that. save, so literally drag and drop it in. Now I go to cursor and I make sure that cursor has in its cursor setting indexed everything well. So here resync index. It takes a little moment. In the meantime, what I like to keep up is the YOLO mode, and yeah, I would basically have everything on. And absolutely vital for highest quality is Claude 3.57 Sonnet and Claude 3.7 Sonnet Thinking. Rules. I have a very sophisticated set of rules that I will share outside of this video. MCP is you connect sort of like certain databases, or you want to connect maybe some logs and so forth. I want to disable that now, but I have when I build a browser tool, then this makes a lot of sense for me. I can, if you are interested in a deep dive on MCP servers, I'm also happy to do that. Let me know. And there is this, so we have these rules and we have also project rules. Okay, I don't have here my project rules. Let me very quickly show you other project rules that I find actually very helpful. Cursor settings. We're already here. And then I go on rules. Exactly. Comment files. This is a very, very powerful, powerful rule. Comment files. It's literally that. Oh. Copy. Paste. So when you create a new file, make sure to add a comment at the top of the file with the changes you made. When you update, make changes to a file, make sure you rewrite the comment at the top of the file with the changes you made. If there is no comment, then add one. With this rule, the AI always knows what's the current situation with the files and is much more focused. Okay, last time. Checking, cursor checkings. I want to see, yes, everything is indexed. You can also say understand the code base in depth. Understand the code base in depth. And I make it non-thinking, so it's a little bit faster. And so here what do we here now want to basically add is something like yeah, what could we add here? We could say that we could add a button per card that when click on it, give me icebreaker messages for that specific person. Okay. Okay, it's the high load. We are experiencing high demand. Yeah, this is not good. Then let's see. Thinking, same thing. Okay, then we do it with 3.5 Sonnet for now. Good. I hope. So now it has an in-depth understanding of the code base. I hope 3.5 Sonnet now works. Please add again to the cards of the friends that we have logged in via the Add Friend button. Please add another button per card that when I click on it, it suggests me potential icebreaker messages via OpenAI chat. Yeah, OpenAI chat, yeah. Okay. Thinking. Okay, then we do it with 3.5 Sonnet again. In the meantime, while it does its thing, I will add a .env. Okay, that looks good. What did it add? Actually, let's say mock first the OpenAI response. And let me know how to start the app. You can literally talk with it as if it's a very well-versed senior co-developer, which I'm literally doing it. I'm asking a lot of questions that I would never ask a human colleague because I feel that they are relatively simple. Probably they are not, but... And also, there are many questions that I would not ask a person because there are just so many questions and I don't want to like annoy people also. And it seems very convenient to work here with an AI in that sense. So it says, now start the app. You will need to do this. You need to first install, then the Vite, then I just say, okay. First of all, I pull in a terminal here. Then I say this. Okay, that's already here. Pop out the terminal. Let's see if we see already what's happening. Okay, that opened it basically here. Let me zoom in. That looks good. Let's see. Yeah, I think I have this password. Okay, let me sign up again. Now sign in. Add friends. Again, this top. Okay, you see more info now. Contact info, phone or email. Semi-annually. Comics and cheese. And here we have New York. Add a friend. And here you see, you can either delete it or icebreaker suggestions. There it is. Hey, Christoph, was just thinking about comics. Remember a great conversation about would love to catch up. How is life in New York? I wanted to grab a coffee somewhere in New York, chat about. Fantastic. And you can copy it. So it thought about a lot of things. Let me see if 3.7 Sonnet is also available. Add the possibility for users to add pictures for the respective friends. Yeah, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is very much in demand. I'm sorry that I cannot show it to you right now. But yeah, I think you get the idea. All right, it's basically the same as 3.5 Sonnet, except it's really, really good. And where 3.5 Sonnet is struggling with like concise answers, Claude 3.7 is overachieving a lot. Yeah, with this, I hope you enjoyed that, learned a little bit. If you want to know more about mobile development or this MCP connecting all kinds of data sources into Cursor, then let me know. Other than that, I wish you all the best. Bye bye.